So hello guys, welcome to your favorite channel Cool Gadgets. If you are new here, then don't forget to subscribe to us and hit the bell icon to never miss an update from us. So guys, today we are going to show you top 5 amazing wristbands which are changing the market. To know about them, watch the full video, and if you like the video then don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to us. So let's start the video. First, wrist light. The wrist light unit is the world's first patented light that sits comfortably on your wrist and turns 180 degrees to light where you need. Made with 80% recycled material, no more holding a light constantly in the direction while walking, jogging, and no more using one hand to work with as the other hand is holding a flashlight. Walk your pets in the dark with a wrist light 180. No more holding the light in that direction for hours in one hand. Going for an early morning or night walk around the neighborhood, beach, camping site, wherever you need the light, walk comfortably with added security on your wrist. Everyone has a flashlight in their cars or homes, even both. Now you can have one in case of emergency to search for lost items in your car or during a power outage at your home. Safe, convenient and easy to use. Second, cooling cuff. Put the band in the freezer for a few hours, remove it and wear it for 10 to 15 minutes when you want to cool down. Repeat as desired. Wearing the cooling cuff applies a custom-made cooling element to the pulse point and the underside of your wrist, which cools down your entire body very quickly. It will keep you cool for hours, and you can easily swap out the cold packs for continued cooling when you feel hot, such as after a workout or your body will work hard to maintain homeostasis and keep from overheating. The cooling cup hacks this process, applying cooling directly to the underside of the wrist. The wrist is utilized to allow the hand to maintain dexterity but still achieving quicker thermoregulation results. The result is that body cools down up to 66% quicker. Third, Aura Band. Aura Band is the first smart band that tracks your body composition, hydration level, heart rate and activity and rewards you for it. With Aura Band you can set defined goals, track progress and achieve them. Simply make a loop with your hands around Aura Band, tap the device 2 times and then hold for 5 seconds. This creates a low voltage electrical signal for an active reactive measurement of the resistance of your tissues. Along with your age, gender and weight information, Aura Band can determine body composition and hydration level data. No matter what your goals are, gaining muscles and becoming stronger, staying fit or just losing fat, with your body composition data you will have an opportunity to track your progress with something measurable instead of something visual like a mirror or unreliable like scales. Fourth, FlyFit. FlyFit, one of a kind of a smart fitness tracker designed for those who value form and function in their sports gear. Hidden inside the sleek design of the FlyFit band is an advanced module that seamlessly collects real-time data from every action in your day. Passionate about fitness, the concept for FlyFit emerged from our own needs to find a well-rounded and accurate fitness tracker that also looked great. During vigorous workouts, we wanted a small device that we could almost forget we were wearing, and then not struggle to get it off when we needed to fly. Fit stands out from the pack as a device worn on the ankle, and unlike all the wristband trackers, it has the ability to measure leg movement. Furthermore, FlyFit provides wireless syncing to your smartphone with Bluetooth technology, so you can benefit from the knowledge of real-time data. FlyFit's real-time sync not only captures your leg movements but also displays your performance in real time, whether it's pedals, cycles, speed, distance, duration, calories burned, or steps. These can all be tracked on your smartphone or tablet device. Fifth, R-Key. Walking is an everyday activity, but not everyone achieves good walking posture during the busy lives. However, good posture can lead to a healthier and more confident lifestyle. R-Key can be your daily walking coach. All you need to do is wear R-Key on the wrist, and R-Key will take care of the rest, letting you bring a good walking posture into your life. R-Key measures your swing speed, rotation angle with respect to gravity, transport vibration from the feet and more. Based on these measurements, R-Key learns your walking habits, such as looking at a smartphone while walking or putting a hand in a pocket. R-Key detects your poor walking habits and when you real-time haptic feedback to promote sound walking. Of course, you can check your daily, weekly and monthly sound walking progress via the smartphone app. Normally, you wear R-Key on a preferred side, but if you wear R-Key on the other arm once a week or month, R-Key can collect data from both arms.